The quesadilla, a dish that brings joy to every table it graces, a culinary masterpiece that hails from sunny Mexico, a land rich in flavors and traditions. Imagine, if you will, a land where taste buds tango and spices sing in perfect harmony. This, my friends, is where the quesadilla calls home, a place where every bite tells a story. A dish so simple yet so utterly delightful, it's no wonder it has captured hearts and stomachs worldwide. From street vendors to high-end restaurants, its appeal is universal. Now, you might be thinking quesadillas aren't those a bit, well, ordinary, but let me assure you they are anything but. Don't let the simplicity fool you, my friend. The magic lies in the details. The beauty lies in its versatility. Whether you prefer chicken, beef, or a medley of vegetables, there's a quesadilla for everyone. Like a blank canvas, it invites creativity, begging for a splash of flavor and a dash of ingenuity. Each ingredient adds a new layer of excitement. Tonight we embark on a culinary adventure, a journey into the heart of Mexican cuisine, a journey that promises to tantalize your taste buds. We shall craft a chicken quesadilla so scrumptious, so utterly Moorish, that you'll be licking your fingers with delight. The perfect blend of flavors and textures. So grab your apron, my friend, and let's get cooking. Together, we'll create something truly special. Before we embark on this flavorful escapade, let's gather our trusty band of ingredients. Fear not, dear chef, for this is no culinary odyssey requiring exotic ingredients or a pantry full of spices. We believe in simplicity, in letting the flavors speak for themselves. The beauty of this dish lies in its straightforwardness. First, you'll need some cooked chicken. It can be freshly prepared or even better, use those leftovers. Leftovers from Sunday roast work a treat or a store-bought rotisserie chicken will do splendidly. This saves time and adds a rich roasted flavor. Next, tortillas, those round flatbreads that are the very foundation of our quesadilla. They hold everything together in a warm embrace. Now for the star of the show, the cheese, the gooey, melty goodness that makes every bite irresistible. A good melting cheese is key. Something like cheddar or Monterey Jack will work wonders. Feel free to mix them for a more complex flavor. And of course, no quesadilla is complete without a dollop of sour cream and a generous helping of salsa. These add a tangy and spicy kick. Feel free to experiment with different varieties from mild to fiery. The choice is yours, my friend. Each type of salsa brings its own unique twist to the dish. Now comes the fun part, assembling our masterpiece. This is where the magic truly happens, and you get to be both the chef and the artist. This is where culinary skills meet artistic flair, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. It's easier than it looks, and the results are always delicious. First, grab a large skillet and warm it over medium heat. Make sure it's nice and hot before you start cooking. No need for any fancy oils here. We want our tortilla to be lightly toasted, not swimming in grease. This helps keep it crispy and delicious. Once the skillet is hot, place a tortilla in the pan and let it sizzle for a moment. You should hear a gentle sizzle, which means it's toasting perfectly. Now, sprinkle a generous handful of cheese over half of the tortilla. The cheese is what makes it gooey and irresistible. Next, add a layer of our shredded chicken, spreading it evenly over the cheese. Make sure every bite gets a bit of that savory chicken. Finally, dollop on some salsa to your liking. This adds a burst of flavor and a bit of heat, making each bite exciting. Now for the grand finale, carefully fold the tortilla in half, pressing down gently to seal in all that cheesy, chickeny goodness. Make sure it's sealed well so nothing escapes while cooking. Section 4, the grand finale, plating your masterpiece. Keep a watchful eye on your quesadilla, my friend. We want that cheese melted to gooey perfection and the tortilla golden brown. This should only take a couple of minutes per side. Once it's reached peak quesadilla perfection, carefully remove it from the pan using a spatula and transfer it to a cutting board. Now, for the finishing touch, slice your quesadilla into wedges, like a delicious pizza of Mexican delight. And there you have it, a feast for the eyes and a symphony for the taste buds. Section 5, a symphony of flavors awaits. Presentation, my friend, is everything. Arrange your quesadilla wedges artfully on a plate. Now for the pièce de résistance, a dollop of cool, creamy sour cream and a generous helping of your favorite salsa. Feel free to add a sprinkle of coriander or a squeeze of lime for an extra touch of pizzazz. There you have it, a culinary masterpiece created with your own two hands. Now grab a wedge, take a bite, and let the flavors transport you to a sun-drenched cantina in the heart of Mexico. Section 6. Until next time, happy cooking. And there we have it, my friend, a culinary journey that has taken us from the sun-drenched plains of Mexico to the very heart of your kitchen. Remember, cooking is not merely about following recipes. It's about embracing the joy of creation, the satisfaction of transforming simple ingredients into something truly extraordinary. Thank you for supporting our channel and watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe to Beast Eggs TV. We appreciate your support and wish you an amazing day. And remember, a little bit of spice makes life all the more delicious. Cheers!